What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make slow motion video in Canva. You want to go ahead and ensure that you have your video on your timeline, and whether or not you have the video already there, or you want to add your own video, or you want to find a video from already in Canva, whichever option. I'm gonna just add an additional video right here. So I'm gonna search, for example, let's type in nature, for example, right? See what else pops up, and let's say we want to use this video here. And so you can make the video slow motion. I'm going to put it right here in the middle, and you can just simply click on the video. I'm going to click play the video first and see how it looks. So you can see how this video look right here, and it's in slow motion. Now let's say I want to make this even more slower. Well, you want to click in the video first, then you want to go ahead and click where it shows the 1x at the top here on this bar that signifies speed. And so you'll be able to bring this bar to the left side. You can bring it all the way down to 0.25. That's the slowest. And so from here, you can play the video and you can see that it's in slow motion, right? And so that's how you make a video in slow motion in Canva. I'm going to do it right here on this next video as well. So you click on the video right here, 1x, drag it down to over to as low as you want there. And you can see that the video is in slow motion. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.